Spider-Man, Miles Morales versus Spot from Across the Universe. Great movie. See it right away. It's very, very good. I'm on the landscape page. Use a pencil eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. So we're going to start with Spot. Spider-Man's leg is like going into a spot on his chest. He's drawn real rough, right? So there's all these lines all over him. We'll try and simplify it a bit for you. Let's give this a go. Right. Center point of my page is about here. We'll come up over to the right. His head, oval-ish, square, oval. It's like it's not sort of crazy consistent how they draw him. All right. Okay. So, top of his head, right? I guess, like, just goes around this way, right? And then it kind of goes out diagonally, and then down towards his chin. So it's like a mannequin. Do you ever like see those mannequins of figures that they use to draw if you go to art class or anything? Kind of looks like that. All right. So that's like the shape for his face. And then we've got like the black shape in here. Now all these will be colored black inside, but I can do them all together at the one time. So I'll just draw them in and then color them after. And sometimes there's like splotches of black around them. Right, and all that's black inside. So he's reaching out with his hand trying to grab Miles, right? So his hand is just beside his face. So we started here, right? Just with the side of his hand. So he's doing this kind of thing. So you can just see that curve between the index and the thumb. And the thumb and fingers are drawn real sort of straightforward as well. Just here. And then we will just curve it back like so. And then we can see just the bottom of his hand here with this sort of double bump. The index finger will go up, it'll change direction, and a knuckle kind of curving that way, and then the top of his finger here, and again very straightforward, just sort of runs down this way like that between the index and the middle finger, so this space here. Go up, across, down to here, back to there. Next finger comes up, across, down, around for the top, and then back in towards the hand. Back in that way. And then his little finger here comes back towards the side of the hand, just down like that. And then we have like a spot here on his hand. Dots all over it. And there can be like some spots in the air as well. You know, like, and it's done with like ink splashes and things. You know, you could, if you had ink or paint, you could do that. Right, so we can just see like his trapezius here and a shoulder there. Shoulder on the other side. So like trapezius, curved line for shoulder, bottom of his shoulder just drawn in here. And then he's got like just a blob of a body, right? Kind of like comes down the side that way. And then we can see just like his elbow, forearm and stuff here. Armpit, and then the side of his body goes that way. And I think sometimes they draw in chest muscles. So your chest muscle comes from your shoulder, like here. So the center of his chest to be there. It goes up to his armpit, across that way. So for his armpit on this side would be there, across there. And then like his waist into there. So his other arm then, quite skinny, so we got like trapezius line, bicep that way. And then his forearm just goes up here. And then his other hand, so we got like the thumb again, going that way. And then the back of his hand. Now hands are tricky, so take your time. So this is like an awkward position, is like hand curves around this way. So we got like index finger coming around here. Right then, so 4, we'll try do 4, you can't really see 4. You can only see, okay, well, they've only drawn in 3 fingers, which is strange. Right, so we'll see if we can do 4. I probably can. Right, so they've only drawn in 3, but we'll add 4. And then just the bottom of his hand here. Like that. So then legs flying off, they're both like falling. So his thigh goes that way, and then around for his knee, and then the inside of the hamstring thigh area there. His shin, calf to heel, and then his foot just curving around that sort of shape. Groin coming across, and then his other leg flying back this way, thigh there. So again, very roughly sort of drawn. And like calf just goes back to his heel there, and then his knee and his shin, and then his foot comes back this way, and they're like drawn real rough. Right, so we got some spots all over him. So like Miles's leg is like coming out of this, right? So we got like this crazy big one, and like Miles' leg like comes out from here. Right, so that's Miles' leg, and then there's more spots all over his body. So we'll basically just add a few more of these. And these will all be colored black with some like splashes coming out of them and stuff. Okay, so that spot. So Miles' leg, right? So this is his shin, and then we go to his thigh, right? He's very sort of slender, elongated muscles. And then his hip, right, kind of goes like that way. And then his abdomen and chest goes up here. So his groin is like there, and then his other thigh goes down this way again, real long, thin. This is his knee, the other side, so it's like his gluteus maximus is there, and then his hamstring goes down this way, and then his shin back there. Another sort of groin line there. Right, and then his calf back to his heel, and the sole of his foot just there. And he's got like a red section on the base of his foot, like so. All right, so his back comes up here. His two arms are like flying backwards. So we get his neck in. So his neck is here and his head, back of his neck there. And then his head is drawn in like so. So it's just his up to his chin. And it just like goes around. Like again, very cartoony sort of style. So it's not majorly detailed around, it's just the shape here. You should probably see a neck muscle there. Okay, we'll just get the rest of the anatomy in. So we got like his shoulder going this way. Tricep, real long, thin. Bicep there. And then this comes out to his elbow. Like comes around to another hand, so comes into here. So that seems to go that way. And then he's got a big hand here. Before I do the hand, we'll just get his other sort of back muscles going this way. And then his shoulder here. I'll do the hands together because they're kind of tricky. I just get the arms in the right position. So like tricep, bicep, and then his elbow going up here. His forearm, like that, right? So his hand, we have a big hand here because it's like close to the camera, right? So it's large, and this one's real small. It's like coming towards us, right? So we again, it's like drawn real rough, sort of like this, very sort of basic, right? So the back of the hand here. Still, it's difficult to get hands looking like not clumsy, so take your time. Back of the hand is there, and then we have his like middle finger, right? Just coming over this way. Man, there's a fly in here. Get out. Oh, there's two. Okay, so finger comes back down that way. Then his ring finger is like here. And then his little finger comes out this way. And they're drawn like sort of as square as that. Then his index. Up like so. And then his thumb. So it's really exaggerated, sort of long fingers. Down to his hand that way. Right, and then the other hand real small, so up here. The thumb going this way. Real square tops. Out that way. And then around. Index, little finger, sorry, here. Okay, like that. Right, so then his eye. So he's doing like big expression. So it just sort of comes out from here, back, wide eyes, down like so, pointy down here and up. And then the white of his eye to there. So you're just kind of going around this space again. So there. And then like collarbone sort of things like that. And maybe some like ab lines or something here. So the red spider on his chest. So you could draw this in, you could do it with just red. It's kind of up to you. So I'll just do sort of the main outline, right? So we got this oval circle. Now this is like spray painted red. So then in here, we've got a leg. Spider's head is in here, and then another red leg going that way. Two of them on the outside. Like that. And then there is an inside part as well. Coming down here. Oh. And then the red line going on the outside. Then we can see the legs on the bottom. This is kind of tricky now. If you want to look up his costume to get a better idea, you can. Because we're drawing it from the side, you know, so take your time with it. Right, kind of like this. This will all be red inside it. And then like his tail or something is there. And his legs go off that way. Right, so pretty rough, but that's what it looks like. Because it's like spray painted on. And then he has a red line that comes down his side. Does it go down to there, I think. I think we can see a little bit of it coming down this leg as well. And his hand is red, so it comes down the side of his index finger here, and inside here would be red. Okay, and then you can draw some sort of, you know, shocked ring sort of lines that you could color whatever way you want, really. And then more sort of spots in the air and things. You could do as much of that as you'd like. Right. Okay, I think that's the best I can do. How to draw Miles Morales versus Spot. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.